Are you confused about which streaming service to pick? Today, we are diving into Realdebrid and Torbox to help you decide. Both Realdebrid and Torbox aim to enhance your streaming experience. They give you access to more content and better quality. But how do they differ? Let's start with Realdebrid. It's a popular tool among streamers. Realdebrid works by giving you access to premium hosts. This means you can find faster downloads and higher quality streams. It's great for those who want to improve their current streaming setup. Now, let's look at Torbox. Torbox is also a streaming tool, but it focuses more on providing a variety of links. It helps you find different sources for your favorite shows and movies. If you enjoy exploring new content, Torbox might be the way to go. So, what are the main differences? Real Debrid is all about speed and quality. It connects you to better hosts. On the other hand, Torbox offers a wider selection of links. It's more about variety than speed. When it comes to features, Real Debrid has a simple interface and works with many apps. It's easy to set up. Torbox is user friendly too, but its strength lies in the number of sources it provides. Now, let's talk about pricing. Real Debrid usually has a subscription model. You pay for access to its premium features. Torbox may offer a free version with some limitations, but it also has paid options for more features. In the end, if you want high quality streams and faster downloads, go for Real Debrid. But if you prefer a wider range of links and content, Torbox is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.